office. Sekolah, school. Sekolah, school. Mak nantarkan Sophia ke sekolah enggal dinten. Mom drops Sophia at the school every day. Toko, store. Toko, store. Shahla meser susu di toko. Shahla buys milk in the store. Taman bermain, playground. Taman bermain, playground. Agnes sarang Agnes among the taman bermain. Agnes and Agnes are playing on the playground. Pasar, market. Pasar, market. Lily sok ke pasar. Engine. Miss Lily always goes to the market early morning. Kantor, office. Kantor, office. Uding ke kantorna sok naik angkot. Udin uses public transportation to go to his office. Rumah sakit, hospital. Rumah sakit, hospital. Iis kemari na longkok Argina ke rumah sakit. Miss Iis visited her family in the hospital. Kebun binatang, zoo. Kebun binatang, zoo. Kuring hoyong ke kebun binatang engine. I want to go to the zoo tomorrow. Apotek, pharmacy. Apotek, pharmacy. Papa bede meser obatna di apotek. Papa is going to buy his medicine from the pharmacy. Sawah, rice field. Sawah, rice field. Binonong sok ke sawah enggal dinten. Onong always goes to the rice field every day. Kebun, garden. Kebun, garden. Kuring melak kembang di kebun. I planted flowers in the garden. Stadion, stadium. Stadion, stadium. Usro pada nonton bola di stadion Jalak Harupat. Usro is going to watch football at Jalak Harupat's stadium. Imah, house. Imah, house. Bumi abdi cakut tangka jambu. My house is near a guava tree. Bang, bank. Bang, bank. Abah bade nandak achis di bank. Grandfather will get the money from the bank. Pom bensin, gas station. Pom bensin, gas station. Ai parkir di pom bensin. I parks at the gas station. Stasiun kereta api, train station. Di stasiun kereta api ayana mani rame pisan. It's hectic at the train station now. Terminal bus, bus station. Terminal bus, bus station. Terminal bus ayana tiisan. The bus station is quiet now. Salon, beauty salon. Salon, beauty salon. Riri dipotong rambut di salon. Riri has her hair cut at the salon. Restaurant, restaurant. Restaurant, restaurant. Wauchu mam baso bakar di restaurant. Auntie Uchu has grilled meatball at the restaurant. Kantor post, post office. Kantor post, post office. Ayaw Uching dekat kantor post. There is a cat near the post office. Pelabuhan, port. Pelabuhan, port. Papa na ika Damo di Palabuan, Jakarta. Ika's father works at the port of Jakarta. Hotel, 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 hotel. Mang Jaya Damanat di Hotel Sahid Jaya. Uncle Jaya works at Sahid Jaya Hotel.